Hey, I hope you are well and doing good. And in this video, we will see the merge sort. And I hope you are well and doing good. And in this series of learning BSc tutorial, today topic is merge sort. Already we have see various algo like as a sort, bubble sort, insertion sort. Okay, and that's time complexity is order of n, but today this algo will see this time complexity will reduce, and this is the one of the most important sorting approach and a sorting algo to sort any given data. Let's start. Okay, we have to sort this array with the help of the now this technique, merge sort technique, is work on the divide and conquer technique. And divide and conquer technique what means? They divided into two split half. This array has been given and this array will be divided into two half parts, and each parts will be called to recursively called to itself, and sort them itself. Okay, after the sorting, this will approach will go at the end when there is only one element, means there is a base condition where it will be go. Okay, after this sorting, after this sorting into two halves, it's again it will be merged again. Okay, we'll see. Okay, there is a given array which indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we have to divide it into two parts. Okay, now how can we divide it? We can divide it into we already know the size of the array, then with the help of size we can divide it. Okay, here is a, if we'll say it any pointer, yeah, suppose it ऐसे कि जीरो और प्लस जीरो एंड सिक्स, तो हमें हाफ निकालना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, जीरो प्लस सिक्स डिवाइडेड बाई टू मीन्स थ्री, ये हमारा हाफ पार्ट आ गया थ्री. ओके, एंड दिस विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. This will be divided into two parts. It's become 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 1 and 0, and this will be 7, 9 and 5. It's become 4, 5 and 6. Okay, it's divided into two parts. Again it will be divided into two parts. Again it will be divided into two parts. It's become 4 and 5, and it's become 1 and 10, 1 and 10. Okay, again this will be divided into two parts. It's become a 4 and it's become 5. Again it will be divided into two parts, 1 and it's become 10. Okay, now again it will be divided into two parts. Then first part will be 4, 5 and this becomes 5. Again it will be divided into two parts, then it's 4 and 5. Okay, until ये तब तक डिवाइडेड होते रहेगा जब तक कि एक एलिमेंट नहीं हो जाता. और एक एलिमेंट मीन्स एक एलिमेंट्स का मतलब हुआ कि अगर देयर इज ओनली वन एलिमेंट मीन्स दैट एलिमेंट इज द सॉर्टिंग ऑर्डर. If suppose there is any given number, means this is the only single number, and single number is always in the sorted order. Okay, now when we divide it into two halves, then what will we do? It will be merged. Now it will be merged and it's become a merge and sorted order. Okay, then 4 and 5, then 4 and 5 will be sorted order. It's become a 4 5. Okay, now again it will be 1 and 10, then it will be merged in, it's become 1 and 10. Okay, now what it will be, it will be, I am writing here 4 5, it's become 4 and 5, and second was 1 and 10, then 1 and 10, then both are the entire both. Okay, sorry, 12 will erase it, and 4 and 5, and this becomes 1 and 10, 1 and 10. Okay, now this will be merged again. Now if it will be merged, then it's become a 1 4 5 and 10. Okay, this half has been merged 1 4 5 and 10. Again it will be, okay, this should 9, it should 5, and it's a 9. Okay, now this will emerge, means 4 and 5, then 4 and 5. Okay, oh sorry, there is a 7, that was this 7. Okay, now this will be merged, and then it's a 5 and 7, and here is a 9. Again 5 7 and 9 will be merged. Now it will be merged. Okay, I'm writing here 5 7 9, then first of all 5, then 7, then 9. It will merge again 5 7 9, and we know, अगर आपने पहले मेरी वीडियो नहीं देखा तो मैंने इस वीडियो के लिंक को डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है, उससे आप देख सकते हैं कि दो सॉर्टेड एरे दिया हुआ तो उससे मर्ज कैसे कर सकते हो, मैंने फुल एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ इसमें। तो मैं अभी वहाँ पे वीडियो के लिंक दे देता हूँ, और मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन पूरा नहीं करता हूँ, डायरेक्टली मैं यहाँ पे देता हूँ। देन इट्स एरे बिकम्स 1, then 4, okay, then 5, again 5 7 9 and 10, and this is the our output, ये हमारा आउटपुट हुआ। बिकॉज दो सॉर्टेड ऑर्डर में जब हमारे पास में एरे आ जाए, उसे हमें कैसे करना है हमने पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पे। ओके, ये तो रहा हमारा कि डिवाइड एंड कंकर टेक्निक। अब इसकी हम एल्गो को लिख कर देखते हैं कि इसकी एल्गो कैसे काम करेगी। ओके, आई विल इरेज इट। Okay, now first of all any function has been called, like as suppose this the int and merge sort. Okay, now this array should be passed, then int suppose this array, and also size of the array also. Okay, here we can modify it. Here it will be passed the starting, here a start pointer, and here is a end. Okay, now int start and end, that is the end. Okay, first condition was we have to divide it into two parts. Now means we have to find the mid. Now how can we find? Take a variable int mid and start plus end by 2, and uh, here it will be overflow, so better than write to it, we can write it here int minus start by 2. Okay, now okay, first condition is check कि हम इसे कब तक जो है कि इसे डिवाइड करते रहेंगे दो पार्ट्स में। हमने देखा कि एक एलिमेंट जब तक यहाँ पे हमारी एक सिंगल एलिमेंट नहीं आ गई, यानी कि स्टार्ट यहाँ पर हमारा आ गया और सपोज इन हमारा यहाँ पे आ गया, तो हम कब तक डिवाइड करेंगे? जब तक ये एक पार्ट में नहीं हुआ तभी। तो हमारा कंडीशन पहले बनेगा कि इफ, पहले हमारा कंडीशन हो जाएगा इफ स्टार्ट जो पॉइंटर है, स्टार्ट जब तक ये छोटा है, स्टार्ट इज लेस देन एंड, ओके, then divided into two halves. Okay, now here end mid is equal to start plus okay, end minus start by 2. Okay, now recursively it will be called this part will recursively call to itself, means merge sort now array and end, that is the starting end and this mid value. We have considered only this part here this will be considering this part 0 1 2 3 only, means mid. Okay, here sorry, first of all start then mid. Okay, and when this will be done, then we have divided into this part of only 7 9 and 5, means merge again, merge sort array and here mid is here representing here, but we have to sort 7 9 and 5, means start will be mid plus 1 and its end. Okay, that is the clear. Now when this part has been divided into a single parts, where it will be go single parts, then you have to merge them, all the index, all the value should be merged. Now again we call it a merge function here array, then say start, okay, then end, start mid and end. Okay, this is the done, and this is the algo for this merge sort. Now अब हम इस एल्गो को ट्रेस करके देखते हैं। पहले हम एल्गो को इंडेक्सेस वैल्यूज के साथ में ट्रेस करके देखते हैं, उसके बाद हम कोड करेंगे। ओके, लेट्स अगेन आई एम राइटिंग हियर। First of all, we have this array and there is a start pointer and here is an end pointer. Now, first of all, condition should be checked. Start is less than end. Yes, start is less than end. Then divided into two parts. Then it will be divided into two parts. Means we have indexes 0 to 6. And first of all, it will be checked and divided into two parts, means it will be 0 to 3, 0 to 3. Now 0 to 3, okay, means our mid is 3. Again it will be checked. Okay, here is the curly braces. Okay, now merge sort array start plus mid, again it will be called to itself. Now it will be called again itself, means condition what should be, again it will be checked. Our start is here. If I'll give the name here, merge sort, okay, and also it's the merge sort. I will give it the name, function name. Okay, that is fine. Now it's again 0 plus 3 becomes 3, and it will be 0 to 2, okay, and 0 to 2, and here is a 2 to 3. Okay, now again it will be called to itself. Now it's become a 0 to 2 means 1, means starting value 0 and it's become 1, and it's become 1 and 1 indexes. Okay, now this is done, this is the done, then it will be go, and this will be again called. Now at the time here 2 and 3, 2 and 3 means plus 5, 2 2 plus 3 5, and 5 divided by 2, then it's become a here 2 to 3 and 3. Okay, done. Then at the time of this will be this is done. Now this merge array, now this will be merge, and it's become 0, merge it's merge 1 1. Okay, now this will be merge, then it's become a 2 3 3. Again there is a 3 functions going to make. Again this will be, then this will be merge 2 0 2 and 3. Again what's happened this side, this will be again happen same process at the right side, means it will becomes 4 to 6, 4 to 6, and the third condition is what, merge them. Okay, means starting 0, mid 3 and last 3. Again this will be divided into 2 parts and merge them. Okay, means this is the part of the how this compiler work with the help of indexes. Okay, indexes. Again this will be means 4 and 4 plus 6 10 divided by 2 means 4 and 5, and it's become a 5 and 6, means it will be divided into short 4 5 and 6. Okay, again it will be divided into 2 parts, then it's become a 4 and 5, then here is a 4 4, and it's become 5 5, and again merge 8, then 4 5 5, means merge, if it will be merged, okay, sorry, here 4, then 4 and 5. Again this will be happen, that will be happen. Now at this time we'll code for this, and we'll understand with the help of code how this algo working. Okay, let's code for that. Create a mid so that we can find the mid value and divide it into two halves. Okay, now then first condition should be, if start start is less than mid Till now we have to divide it into two parts. Then mid is equal to start plus, and this is the, okay, sorry, start plus and end minus start. Okay, now then first of all we have to call this first left half. Now then merge and array pass recursively it has been called. Then we have to first we have to start and second last with the mid. Okay, that's fine. And also second merge second half. Okay, then it should be mid plus one and it should be end. Now and when it has been divided, then merge or algo. Okay, where we have to find array, then okay start, then mid, then start. Okay, now uh, this will be called to recursively, it will be called recursively again and again. Also this will be called when this the complete array will be divided into two parts and the single array. Now then we have to merge this thing. Okay, here we have to write the code for merge algo. How can we write it? And initialize with start, and j should be mid plus 1. Okay, while I is less than okay, I is less than mid and j is less than end. Okay, now first you can also here create a array. Then we created a array, a vector tag, and this name is v. Okay, now check the array of I. Array of I is less than and is equal to array of j that time push into push back push back data into array of I. Okay, and this should be I plus plus, otherwise else. Okay, then else v dot push back, and then I of j, and it should be j plus plus. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now when this has been completed, then we have to check the if the first half element has been not in the, otherwise second half element is not in, then we have to also merge them. Then that time check if I is less than mid or equal to. Okay, that time do share v dot then push back or array of I, and from I plus plus. So Otherwise, also do second half j equal to end. It should be end and v dot push back array of j. Okay, and also j plus plus and j plus plus. Okay, we have to initialize a vector, but here initialize a vector, then copy from the vector into original array 0 and I goes to v dot size v dot size and I plus plus. Okay, now we have to array of I from v of I. Okay, now okay, now let's check it. So what's from there? Vector to array. Then here this is the, then what we have to do, start plus I. Just do it and we can see. Okay, now then here we can see this is the unsorted data 4 5 1 10 7 9 5, and here is a sorting data 1 4 5 5 7 9 and 10, and I will provided this code in the description box where we can go and check and write yourself this code again and again. Okay, thank you for the watching video. Have a nice time.